Hello everyone. Today we are cooking some catfish soup. I bet many people do like catfish, and well, I love it. And I would list all the ingredients in the comments where you can see them. If you want to know how to cook, follow along. Okay, guys. At this point, I added half of the ingredients, apart from the salt and the salt here. I added all half of the ingredients, like the onions, the vegetable, the crayfish, and all. However, I boiled the fish for about 5 minutes on high heat, and I opened the pot. About 5 minutes later, I added the remaining ingredients to it and put the gas on medium heat for about 7 minutes, and that was it. I really don't like my fish too soft, so I had to do that to for about 7 minutes on low heat, and it was all cooked. It didn't take too long, so it's not something that takes too long. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know how you did when you cook yours, and thank you. Please subscribe, like my videos, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.